What's up, guys? Giving you a quick little update. I've been busy doing all the wiring. Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm back. I've been doing a ton of wiring. As you can tell, I got all the running lights or marker lights. They're all installed. I got temporary on the tail lights. I've got to test all this wiring to make sure it works. And what I've done is I've ran a line to the truck. This will be all cut. We'll cut it here, and then it has to run through the main pod back to here, so everything stays self-contained. It'll make more sense later. But yeah, I've got my voltage meter installed. My lights are installed. Now these aren't hooked up. These all go to the main. And yeah, so we're gonna give it a test and see if anything is not working, and hopefully everything is working. So let me just put that there. Yep, looks like I've got lights all the way around. I got tail lights, which is a good thing. Let me hit the blinker. It should be my left. Okay, great. I got left. Be a left turn signal, and it's working. Hopefully the brake came on when I hit the pedal. I can't look at it, but hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to make a quick little video. Yesterday I was showing you all this spaghetti wiring and how it all connected, and I walked out to my truck, turned everything on, everything lit up and worked just like it, you know, how I had thought it out. But in reality, and I said that I would show you the good, the bad, and the ugly, this is what really happened, and I'll show that to you now, and then I'll come back. So let's get to it. Okay, I got one working. Not working, not working, working. So I got to figure out why these aren't working. And these aren't working either. Strange. Okay, so this one was working. Hot to cold. Ground. And then for this. Hey guys. Alright, so you saw everything didn't go as planned. I made a couple of critical errors when I was wiring it. It's been 10 years since I've messed with 12 volt wiring. And it didn't come out as I had planned. And also, I don't think I did a really good job of giving you a mental picture of how all of this wiring is going to be integrated into the pod. So today I wanted to show you that. And we'll go to my little trusty model. So what I intend on doing is, this will be where the truck is. Whoop. And I'll have my trailer wiring running through the pod all the way to the back of the pod, and as you see, it'll be able to open, so the wiring will come out here and go back in to the roof here, and it'll power all the trailer lights and the marker lights. And then I'll have marker lights down the sides, and all that wiring will be self-contained within the pod. So when you saw that big wad of wiring yesterday and I said I was going to cut it, I need to cut it, come back from the front and run it all the way back to the back and then reattach it. So that's what I meant by that. Everything will be self-contained in the pod so that you can take it off the trailer and you don't have to disconnect anything or anything like that. So I just wanted to clarify that for you. And another thing, when I was wiring, for example, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but one of these marker lights has a black and a white wire, and it's totally opposite of what I would think in my mind. I would think the white wire would be positive and the black would be negative, and that's not the case with this marker light. So I came up with this little solution, and I'll show that to you now. And it's just a 9-volt battery on a little switch, and then I have a couple of alligator clips with leads that I can connect to the wires just to make sure that I'm running the positive and negative correctly. And this isn't strong enough to do like recessed lights or LED lights. It's just for testing small lights such as these marker lights. So I got that done. So anyway, I just wanted to clarify that. I told you when I took you on this ride that I was going to share what works, what doesn't work, and I wanted to clarify that up. So today, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting this back plate on and this back plate for the bottom on, and I might have a little gap at the bottom where the two meet, and it might have a little gap. So I've been watching tons of videos on poor man's fiberglass, and probably end up having to do that, but I'm going to do my take on it. I've seen tons of videos, and they use painter's canvas, and they use Type Bond too. And I don't know, I see a lot of problems with that. For one, it's real time consuming. I don't have that kind of time. There's fraying when you cut the canvas. There's wrinkles that you have to get sorted out, and it just takes forever. So I've come up with a take on that I'm going to share with you, and I tested it on some test boards. I think it's going to be, for one, really strong, easy to work with, and very easy to paint over and smooth out, so you won't even know it's there. So for that sill where those two meet, I'll have a strip of poor man's fiberglass, and then I'll blend it in so that you won't even know it's there. So stay tuned. I don't think it'll be in this video that I'm going to do next on putting these up, but I'll have it in a video in the near future. So that's my updates for today, and you know, I'm really excited about this project. It's going to allow me to do some travel inexpensively, and it's been a fun build for me. I think that, you know, these things are really cool. I don't even know if this design with the pantry opening is even going to work, so I'm going to bring you along for that as well and see if it does work. I don't know. I've never seen one on any video where the pantry is separate, so that's going to be fun to find out. It's been a lot of work. I hope it works. And who knows, I might even be able to sell these, or you might want to buy my plans. You might like what you see. And so definitely message me if you're interested in either the plans or buying one of these. I'm not opposed to selling these. If you don't have the time or inclination to build one, I'll build it and I'll sell it to you. So anyway, let's get started on that. You can always message me with any questions you might have about this build. Other than that, I need to get to work. This thing ain't gonna build itself, so let's get to it. So that'll wrap it up for now. I've got to put the back on, cover all this wiring up, get my tail lights installed, get it ready for paint, and about done with it. Man, it's been a project, and now I can move on and do the main, and that should go a lot faster. So stay tuned.